Morning everyone, afternoon even, just a quick fix for you. Nissan Micra K12 1.2 05 plate. Starting issue. No lights on the dash whatsoever, no clicking on the starters, just absolutely dead. No central locking, absolutely nothing. The only thing working was side lights, and that was about it I think, and the immobiliser. So underneath there you'll see there's like a white box that's got relays and that in. I had that out, checked that was okay. Checked the battery, there's some major fuses under there, checked all them, that was okay. ECU, couldn't check that. And then what I found was top of the battery on the positive terminal, I'll move it down now, there are some fusible links under here, as you can see there. And looking at the video, the far left one had a lot of green powder in it and it was corroded, so when I cleaned it up it was actually disconnected. So what I've done, cleaned it up, resoldered between it to make the connection, fit it all back up and started, no problems. Hopefully you'll find your fix as quick as me.